Bharat powers global health. Its medicines save millions. Soft power through pharma excellence. India outshines America's drug industry. Hello and welcome to Explained by NewsX. Today, we shine a spotlight on India's pharmaceutical industry. A beacon of innovation and soft power, it sustains the global healthcare industry, including that in the United States. From affordable generic drugs to life-saving vaccines, India's pharma sector showcases resilience, quality, and strategic vision. In this particular episode, we explore India's dominance in pharmaceuticals, its edge over the US medical industry, and how it wields soft power to heal the world. With over 600 FDA-approved facilities, more than any nation outside the United States, India's quality standards rival the best. Unlike America's high-cost manufacturing, India's efficient supply chain and skilled workforce make it a global leader. Companies like Sun Pharma and Cipla have built a legacy of trust with affordable, world-class medicines. Pharma hubs in Hyderabad and Pune produce 20% of the world's generic drugs, serving over 200 countries. Additionally, as per the FDA, the United States, which is the largest pharma market, depends on India for 40% of its generic prescriptions. Keeping this in mind, firms like Aurobindo Pharma and Dr. Reddy's deliver drugs at 10 to 20% of US costs. This has saved Americans $2 trillion from 2007 to 2017. Thus, India's pharma edge lies in its low costs, innovation, and scale. This not only outpaces America's expensive system, but also amplifies India's global influence. Back in 2020, as COVID-19 ravaged the world, India emerged as a global savior. The Serum Institute of India, the world's largest vaccine maker, produced billions of Covishield and Covaxin doses, supplying these to the US, Europe, and nations across the global south. India's Vaccine Maitri program donated millions of doses to 100 countries, earning global goodwill. That's not all. India also met 30% of US PPE demand, from masks to ventilators. All this was done while scaling up drugs like remdesivir. While the US faced domestic supply chain bottlenecks, India's agile production and logistics shone bright. This vaccine diplomacy amplified India's soft power, showcasing its ability to lead in crisis. It is thus undeniable that speed, scale, and humanitarian vision have made India's pharma sector a global innovation powerhouse. Companies like Biocon lead in biosimilars, while Zydus Cadila pioneers novel drug formulations. 600 plus FDA-approved facilities meet the world's toughest standards, supplying 30% of US active pharmaceutical ingredients. To add to this, India's R&D spending is over $2 billion annually. This drives cutting-edge generics, unlike the US, where high R&D costs inflate drug prices. Chemistry expertise and streamlined processes keep costs low without sacrificing quality. India's talent pool plays a vital factor as well. Over 2 million pharma workers provide Bharat an edge over America's shrinking manufacturing base. All this has made India's pharma sector a global economic engine, which is now valued at $55 billion US. Exports to the United States are worth $7 billion yearly. It helps fuel India's GDP and global stature. While the US has lost pharma jobs due to high costs, India has built a self-sustaining ecosystem of manufacturing, R&D, and skilled labor. Its role as a supplier gives India geopolitical leverage, and America's healthcare system relies heavily on India's stability. Thus, from COVID triumphs to future ambitions, India has shown how pharma amplifies its soft power and national interests. But that's not where the story ends. India's pharma sector is poised for greater glory. As per the Pharmaceuticals Exports Promotion Council of India, by 2030, The industry aims to reach $130 billion in valuation. Investments in AI-driven drug discovery, biotechnology, and advanced manufacturing will keep India ahead. Policies like Make in India and production-linked incentives are reducing API dependence, ensuring self-reliance. Joint ventures will boost global capacity while strengthening India's leadership. As the pharmacy of the world, India upholds a moral commitment to accessible medicines, and the future is clear. India's pharma industry will shape a healthier, more equitable world. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more on NewsX.